and my takeaway is the 8 things deck officer must know while handling package in IMDG cargo. So I wrote it down here, sir, because I can't memorize them all, but I do familiarize them. So the first thing that is in need to be remembered is know the classification of dangerous cargo. It is divided to subcategories so as to plan the carriage as per requirements of the cargo. This is to avoid mistakes and provide proper preventive actions during accident. So the next thing to remember is check the cargo for correct packaging. If the IMDG code or cargo is loaded in a package, check the following. First, absorbing or cushioning material is used with the package, especially in liquid cargo. So liquid cargo must have component that absorb the leakage in case of leakage. Next thing is the package is kept in a sufficient ullage and all cylinders are tested before loading a IMDG cargo. Next one, the third one, is know the cargo groups. So there are 3 groups of IMDG cargoes. The first one is the cargo which are extremely dangerous. The second one is the moderate danger, and the third one is the less danger. So the fourth thing that is need to be remembered is to check the labels. Check if the labels are visible and clear. Appropriate labeling such as flammable or explosive should also be included. Lastly, it should be water resistant and readable for 3 months. The fifth thing that is need to be remembered is check the documents of the cargo. Ensure that before loading an IMDG cargo, the agent or shipper has handed over first the technical name, next is the certificate saying that the cargo has been packed as per the IMDG code. The sixth the sixth thing that is need to be remembered is check when loading cargo. So check these things when loading cargo. First, check the stowage plan. Next, the second one is no bunkering is going on during the loading. Third is the rudder should be off. Fourth, check the packaging is weather tight for any weather intervention. The fifth one is to ensure that there is no damage on the cargo. And last thing, before a cargo operation, have the IMDG code checked in the port. To the number 7 thing, the seventh thing that is need to be remembered is inspect loading explosive cargo. So if it has an IMDG code declaring with explosive label, check the following. First, package is stored in a wooden pallet. Electrical fittings are disconnected in such area and shattered properly. Lastly, cargoes are stowed away from accommodation and hot bulb. So the eighth thing that is need to be remembered is know the emergency procedure. So it is important for OOW or officer on watch to prepare himself in any kind of calamities. Also, it is a must for him to understand the following. First, emergency procedure for ship carrying IMDG cargo, the MFAG or Medical First Aid Guide for accidents involving IMDG cargo. Lastly is the risk associated with cargo by understanding the labels.